Hello friends, this is Miss Jen from the Woodridge Public Library, and today I'm going to show you all about our summer craft to go with our land of games. Now some people might call this a slingshot, some people might call it a shooter. Either way, I call it fun. So this is mine, and I'll kind of give you a little demonstration. You're gonna get a little foam piece, and it's a sticker, so you can actually take these stickers and decorate your game if you would like, or you can shoot the shooter. Alright, so you're gonna put it right there in that little hole. You're gonna pull this part back and you're gonna let it go. And now you didn't see it go far, but I can tell you that it went far. So I'm going to show you how we're going to assemble this. You're going to need scissors, and so make sure you have a grown-up with you to help if you need help. Grown-ups, sometimes it might be easier for you to do it, especially if we're working with littles. So in your kit, you are going to get 2 rubber bands. You are going to get some foam pieces, which you can either decorate or use to shoot, and you are going to get this piece of cardboard, and the black lines are all the lines that you are going to make cuts on. Okay, so you're going to cut out this window and you're going to cut straight across. Where there's an X, those are pieces that you do not need. So here we go. And there you have it, your very own shooter. So now what you can do is you can take your foam pieces and you can try and knock things down. You can find other things in your home that can fit in this little slot and see if you can knock things down. See how far you can shoot things. See what items go the farthest. See which items knock things down, like paper cups or anything else that you might have lying around your house. Have a great day, friends.